Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace, and I'm back again with another video. Y'all, what's up? What's good? I hope that everybody's doing okay, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. We are on day 12 of 21 days of Candace. We are past the halfway mark, and I'm super excited for my birthday this year. It's my very last year in my 30s. I'm turning 39. I'm the beginning of Aries season, March 21st. So I'm super excited about my birthday this year. I'm not doing anything major. I'm going to do it, you know, low-key. Because next year is 40, so we definitely got to do it big next year. But this year, we're just going to do a birthday dinner. And honestly, I am one blessed girl. When I say I'm blessed, I truly mean it. I'm a strong friend. I never asked for help, or I just never really asked for anything. And then when I sit and think about like what I want, like I even had to ask my goddaughter, like, what should I put on my birthday list? Because I genuinely don't know. And she was like, well, you got everything. And it's not necessarily that I have everything, because there's some things that I want that you can't really buy. Well, that you can buy. But I honestly, I live a really good life, and I'm blessed, like blessed beyond measure. I'm so grateful for where I am in life. Like, it can always be 20 times better, but as for where I am right now, like I'm thankful, I'm grateful, I'm blessed. But she did help me to put some things on my wish list, my birthday wish list. So we're going to go through 10 random things on my birthday wish list. Now, I do have an Amazon wish list that's linked below in the description box. Y'all are more than welcome to go pick something off of that list if you want to contribute to my birthday. I'm allowing people to pour back into me as much as I pour back into them, which is hard, but it is what it is. So let's go through the random things that I have on my birthday list. And these are in no particular order. I'm going to start at the bottom of the list because these were the first things that I actually put on my list. My EOS lotion and body wash. Like, I'm obsessed with that lotion and body wash. Well, I want to try the body wash. But the lotion, my favorites are the vanilla cashmere and the jasmine peach, because they feel good. They moisturize perfectly, like all day long. I just love the way they feel, the way they smell, like the moisture. Like, EOS has me in a chokehold right now. It takes me into the next thing that I have on my list. Because I like the vanilla cashmere EOS, my new obsession, and when it's very new. I'm sitting on TikTok scrolling how to pair and how to layer this scent, because it smells so good and I want it to last all day long. So I'm looking at all the different things that I can do to layer with it to make it last all day long. So de Janeiro 71. Listen, my goddaughter was wearing this. There was someone at her school and she smelled them and she found out what it was that they were wearing, and so she got it. And so I started smelling her and I was like, okay, that smells good. And I'm normally not a vanilla girl, but when I say that 71 smells so good and it smells so good on my skin, obsessed. I want the body cream to layer with it.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell me.
Give me 1,000,000 of them. Give me 14 right now. Another thing on my wish list is the Sony Vlogger shotgun microphone. Now, my camera does a really good job of blocking out additional noises and picking up my voice. But of course, like when I'm out and about and sometimes like recording in public places, it can pick up the music in the background and it makes it difficult to communicate or talk without having to cut certain parts out because of the music in the background. So the microphone is going to help me to reduce that outside noise and be a better vlogger out in public. A new obsession for me also is that Valentino Born Aroma, that Coral Fantasy. Coral Fantasy smells so good. So fruity and so dainty and so... I could never have enough of them. So travel size, the small size, the large size, whatever size. Another fragrance that I have on my list is that YSL Mon Paris. That's the OG. That's like my first step into wearing perfume. Marc Jacobs Daisy. Those perfumes are staples. Dior J'adore, YSL Mon Paris, Marc Jacobs Daisy, and the newest one is Coral Fantasy. Next on my birthday wish list, Peach and Lily products. So fairly new Korean skincare line, and they focus on glass skin. Anything that's gonna make my skin better, I'm all for it. So I tried the eye cream and the glass serum, but I want to try the Ageless and Radiant kit and the glass skin discovery kit, because I want to work on getting this skin like, it's already tea, but I want it to just be, you know, that much better. Fenty lip products. I need to re-up on my Stunna lip paint. That vivid pink and the perfect universal red. I gotta have them in my life. I just gotta get them. Because, you know, I've been wearing my nudes and things like that, but I want to get back into my lip stains and my Stunna lip color. So definitely have those on my list as well. Gloss Balm Cream. That lip gloss. I need it. I definitely need it. Now, I've been really big into jewelry lately. Like, there's so many different pieces that I've come across. But Alex and Ani, they've been coming out with some new, like bracelets for layering and things like that. So I really, really want those. Crystal Pave curb chain bracelet. It's like a tennis bracelet, but I want to layer my bracelets. The Cupcake Bangle, the XOXO bracelet set. I need those in my life. Like, they're so pretty. I love gold jewelry. Like, that's basically all that I wear. Well, it is all that I wear besides, you know, my diamond studs from time to time. But I love gold jewelry, and I love how they have the pop of color inside their bangles. Definitely Alex and Ani is on my list. I gotta have these added to my collection. So another item on my birthday wish list, and I've been meaning to get around to buy it, but I just haven't gotten to that portion yet. But that's one of the things on my list of things that I actually need is gold picture frames. So I have a vision for the aesthetic in the living room, and I was actually going to do it in my bedroom, but because I remembered I had those pictures from a while back, I said, okay, well, I'll move the idea to the living room. So I need those gold frames to make the vision come to life. And the last thing that I have on my birthday wish list is butterfly fragrance holder from Bath & Body Works, and also a couple of candles and scents that I've fallen in love with. I already love Cactus Blossom, so that candle is a must-have. But they have some new scents. Now, that Sunset in Maui and that Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Somebody at Bath & Body Works wanted to work that day, because they put their foot in them scents. Those new scents that they have, they smell so good. You know, I'm a fruity girl. So those are just the random things on my birthday wish list this year. Again, I'm a blessed girl. I'm thankful and grateful for anything that anyone ever does for me, because again, I'm the strong one. So I don't really ever have anyone to say, well, what do you want, or just to randomly buy gifts. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Drop down in the comments and let me know if there's anything that's on my wish list that you may have, or what's on your wish list. Tell me down in the comments. And most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on, so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love, and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace and Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.